Google has started showing the value of Pi coin, and its official initial market price will be announced soon this month. This video will take just a few minutes of you, and it could be your golden opportunity to establish yourself in the world of digital currency once again and become a millionaire. You had not availed this opportunity years back in Bitcoin case, but don't do this time, please. I am Abdullah, and you are watching YouTube channel DIGITDON. Now, to rival Bitcoin, PhD holders from Stanford University have introduced a new digital currency called Pi Network. Till now, Pi has got 55 million members worldwide. Currently, this network is also offering free coins through mining to users. You don't need to make any investment, watch ads, or build a referral team. This is the first digital currency in the world that can be mined using just a mobile application. The process is simple. Open the Pi Network app once every 24 hours and click the mining button. That's it. How to join the Pi Network? It's simple and easy. Just take your mobile and follow this. To install Pi Network app, it is better to click link given in the comments. Or you can go to Play Store and search for Pi Network. Install the app and open it. Choose how to sign up, via Facebook or phone number. Phone number is more secure. If selected, sign up via phone number, search your country in search bar. Input your mobile number without starting zero. Now give your valid email address. Never forget this email, otherwise, account will become inaccessible. Better to keep this email safe separately in some diary or notebook, in written form. Set a strong password. It must contain 8 or more characters with at least 1 digit, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and preferably with 1 special character. Keep this password safe separately in some diary or notebook in written form. Otherwise, account will become inaccessible. Enter your original, real, valid first name and second name exactly as it is on your national identity documents to avoid issues later. Create a convenient yet available username of your choice. Must be from 4 to 20 characters. Keep this username separately in some diary or notebook in written form. Otherwise, account will become inaccessible. On the screen, who invited you? Enter invitation code as DIGITDONPi, as it is without inverted commas. All capital letters, but I as in lowercase. Once your account is set up, click the purple lightning sign button and your Pi coins journey has started. You will notice your Pi increasing gradually. That's it. No need to keep the app open or stay connected to the internet. Just 10 seconds of internet access every 24 hours is enough to continue mining. What you need to do is just click the purple lightning sign button daily at least once. Subscribe our channel to stay updated about crypto, including Pi and other interesting topics. Why should you join now? The Pi Network is set to launch its market price soon this month. Currently, getting Pi coins through mining is free, but once the price is set, free mining will stop. By then, you could accumulate as max as possible Pi coins without investing a single rupee, without watching fake ads, and without wasting time. Forward this message to your friends and family members as maximum as possible to get more benefits from it. You know, there is one and only key to success, that is patience and consistency. So be intact and don't listen to people who make you disheartened. We all together will be successful, no doubt.